Celebrating your journey, how affirmations have changed your life. As you reach the end of day 30 of your journey, it is time to take a moment to celebrate your accomplishments and reflect on the changes that have been made. Using affirmations as part of your daily practice has likely been one of the most powerful tools that you have used to bring about transformation in your life. Affirmations are a great way to reprogram your mind for success and can help you to create positive change in a variety of areas. Through video, we will discuss how affirmations have been effective in helping you to improve your life, and how you can continue to use them to further your development. By understanding the power of affirmations and recognizing how they have positively impacted your life and progress, you can move forward with greater confidence and continue to create positive change. 1. Reflect on how you have grown and changed since day 1. On day 30 of your affirmation journey, take the time to celebrate your growth and development. Reflecting on how far you have come since day 1 will help you stay focused and motivated on your goals. Think about your successes and failures, and identify the lessons learned from each. Consider the areas in which you have improved and the changes in your attitude and outlook. Acknowledge the small steps that have contributed to your overall progress, and recognize the efforts you have made to make positive changes in your life. Rejoice in the fact that you have taken the time to make a difference in your life, and congratulate yourself for the progress you have made. 2. Acknowledge the progress you have made. Today marks the 30th day of your journey, and it is an important milestone to celebrate. During these 30 days, you have taken the time to focus on yourself and your goals, and have made progress along the way. To recognize your progress, it is important to acknowledge these accomplishments in order to have a more positive outlook on the future. Take a moment to remind yourself of all the progress you have made and be proud of the work that you have done. 3. Celebrate the steps you have taken to achieve your goals. We have now reached the end of this 30-day journey of implementing affirmations into your life. In order to celebrate your progress, take some time today to reflect on the steps you have taken to achieve your goals. Appreciate the small wins and recognize the hard work you have put in to become the best version of yourself. Celebrate the confidence you have gained and the courage you have shown to go after your dreams. Acknowledge the transformation you have undergone and be proud of your efforts to grow and reach your goals. 4. Relish in the successes you have accomplished. Today marks the completion of your 30-day journey using affirmations to make positive changes in your life. You have come so far and should be proud of all that you have accomplished. As you move forward, remember to relish in the successes you have achieved throughout this journey. Reflect on the positive emotions you felt when you reached each milestone and the strength you gained from each victory. Celebrating yourself and your successes is a great way to remain motivated and to keep striving for even more accomplishments. 5. Praise yourself for the effort you have put in. On this your 30th day of using affirmations to guide your life, take a moment to look back and reflect on the changes you have made and the progress that you have accomplished. As you have been using affirmations to improve your life, take time to recognize and appreciate the effort that you have put in and the progress you have made. Acknowledge the small successes and celebrate them. It is important to note that progress is rarely linear, and although you might not have seen the results that you would have liked, the effort and energy you have put in should already be celebrated. 6. Give yourself credit for all the hard work you have done. On day 30 of your journey, you have reached the end of your affirmations journey, and it is time to celebrate all the hard work that you have done. During your journey, you have achieved a variety of successes, both big and small. As you reflect on all that you have accomplished, it is important to give yourself credit for all the hard work you have put in. Not only have you successfully completed your affirmations journey, but you have also made progress on whatever goals you set for yourself. Give yourself the credit you deserve and celebrate your hard work. 7. Remind yourself of the possibilities that lie ahead. As you celebrate day 30 and look back on your journey, take the time to remind yourself of the possibilities that lie ahead. Achieving your goals takes hard work, but with an attitude of gratitude, you can keep your motivation high. Start each day with a positive affirmation, something that reminds you of what you have achieved and what you can accomplish in the future. Make sure to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Knowing that you have accomplished something, even if it is just a small step in the right direction, can help to keep you motivated. Appreciate your hard work and remind yourself that you are capable of great things. 8. Affirm that you have the strength and resilience to keep going. After 30 days of using affirmations as a tool to help you reach your goals, it's time to celebrate your journey. You have likely made positive changes in your life and have developed new skills and confidence. As you reflect on your journey, remind yourself that you have the strength and resilience you need to keep going. Every day may not be easy, but you have the power to stay focused and keep moving forward. As you reflect on your successes, know that you have the capacity to continue to make progress and experience growth. Allow yourself to recognize and celebrate your accomplishments. Overall, the practice of affirmations has the potential to reshape your life. Through the repetition of affirmations, you can replace negative thought patterns with positive ones and cultivate a more optimistic mindset. Affirmations can inspire you to take action, change your perspective, and keep you motivated to stay on track. So, as you celebrate your journey, don't forget to thank yourself for the effort you've made. You are capable and worthy of greatness,